what really caught my attention was the micro coaching, because we're looking for ways for how we can reach our employees, every employee where they are, our senior leaders, our senior managers, our managers, and our individual contributors, and say, how can we have those coaching moments when all of our hands are tied? You know, when you think about the manager, let's just use it as an example. We have, in our organization, over the past 10, 15 years, we've downsized in the HR function, we've downsized in the finance, in the IT, all those enabling functions. We've downsized in the organization. And so the manager is in that sort of hourglass, right? They're in the middle. They have senior leaders that are saying, this is what we need you to do. Here's our vision. You need to operationalize it. They have their employees where they need to be getting their feedback and surfacing it up. And the tools and the resources that they have, there's not a lot of people helping them as much as it was when I came into the organization years ago. And so being able to, we've all been struggling on how do we get to that manager in the environment where they are and utilize active learning, right? And so when it was first pitched, and the micro coaching really appealed to me. And it was, we can get to them where they are through this tool. And for me, that's what the hook was, being able to, another tool to be able to get to the individual employee and teach them something in a way that's is utilizing active learning, because you're right in the process of doing something and you're going to be coached as well while you're doing it.